Welcome to the next segment of our microlearning program on healthcare quality improvement basics. This program is based on the model for improvement recommended by the Institute for Healthcare Improvement. This segment will focus on how to use the Plan, Do, Study, Act, or PDSA cycle to support your quality improvement efforts. You have identified your quality improvement aim, the associated evaluation measures, and your list of potential improvements. Now that you have chosen your first change to test, you will use the PDSA cycle to systematically test that change. Remember, in order to reach your aim, many small changes may need to be identified, tested, and implemented. Testing one small change at a time, sometimes on limited scale, is an expected part of the IHI model for improvement. This is the fourth step in this quality improvement process. All improvement requires change, but not all change is an improvement. The Plan, Do, Study, Act cycle helps you prove a change is an improvement, or it helps your team gain insight on why it's not. The PDSA cycle is the cornerstone of the IHI's recommended model for improvement. These four stages provide a data-driven, systematic approach to make sure any changes you implement are, in fact, improvements. Through the PDSA cycle, you will study the results of your test and refine and adapt as needed. The first stage of the cycle is Plan. Start your plan with stating the objective of the test and what results you expect. Identify what data will be collected, by whom and how often, and then identify the actual steps needed to perform the test. Include assignments for who will need to perform each of the steps in the plan. You should start by testing small changes. One change in one area or department, with one provider or team. You can increase the scale of your test during the next PDSA cycle, based on the results you see. The Do stage in the cycle is where the steps in the plan are performed, including the collection of the needed data. Improvement teams should strive to collect just enough data to make an informed decision about how to proceed. Once the steps of the plan are completed, the team will analyze the data and observations. This is the Study stage. There are many methods you can use to plot your data into easy-to-understand formats that can clearly and effectively communicate the results of your testing and help your team during the next stage. Based on the results of the test, your team will adopt the change and test on a broader scale, adapt the change or abandon the change idea. If you adopt or adapt, you will create a new plan and another PDSA cycle. The PDSA cycle provides a way to quickly test changes on a small scale. This approach is meant to enable rapid testing and learning for your team. The PDSA cycle helps your team learn from each test, refining the change through each cycle. This model is an iterative process that can be used to support all your quality or performance improvement efforts. The next segment covers how to implement the changes you have tested through the PDSA process.